Welcome to another edition of the Savant Investor. Please support us by subscribing. What's happening with home prices? The answer isn't clear. Are prices going up or down? Recent reports have been mixed and largely don't reflect the impact from the pandemic. The forecasts are murky too. Here's what we know and what we don't know. Several reports say home prices are going up. The national survey said last week that home prices across the U.S. were up 4.4% compared to a year earlier. The S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller study also tracked prices in 20 major cities and say Phoenix saw the biggest year-over-year gain, 8.2%, while Chicago had the smallest growth at just 1.5%. Meanwhile, a report from the National Association of Realtors showed prices for previously owned homes are soaring nationwide. The median selling price last month was $286,000, 7.4% higher than a year earlier. Prices for existing homes are sizzling because housing inventory has been in short supply. 30-year mortgage rates have sunk to an average of 3.15% in the weekly survey from Freddie Mac, and rates as low as 2.5% have started turning up. It's not unanimous that prices are rising. The Federal Housing Finance Agency just reported that U.S. home prices are rising across the board. But the Census Bureau said price for new homes plummeted to a median price of $309,000, down 5.2% from last month and a decrease of 8.6% from a year ago. The decline shows builders are eager to make deals, but they may not have to do that for long. The pandemic is almost certain to alter consumer preference going forward, and a new appreciation for cleanliness and safety might sway more buyers to seek newly constructed, never-live-in homes in the near future. Home price predictions are mixed too. Zillow is forecasting that house price overall will fall 1.8% in 2020 and will hit bottom by year-end. Even so, the real estate websites say the housing market is already rebounding faster than expected. Freddie Mac expect price for homes will edge up 0.4% this year, and Fannie Mae also is looking for a slightly higher price. Bottom line, location, and location. Whether home price will go up or down depends to a great extent on where you're looking. As today extremely low mortgage rates lure consumer out of home confinement and into home buying, bidding wars are pushing up prices in some markets that have shortages of home listing. More than 40% of offers written by Redfin agents face competition during the 4 weeks that end up in May. In the Seattle area, Redfin said one client made an offer on a home listed at $360,000 in a desirable suburb. Even though the home was outdated and had not been renovated since 1960, it was one of the 24 offers. The home ended up selling for well above asking price.